Scan to BIM is a clear and modern way to capture the real form of a building. A 3D laser scan records all walls, floors, doors, and visible parts with millimeter-accurate data. This data is processed to create a clear and stable BIM model that is easy to use for planning and design. The BIM model helps teams find errors early and stops extra costs in construction. It makes the project faster, safer, and more predictable. 3D scanning also gives accurate info so architects and engineers can work with no guesswork. Topoqraf.az offers professional scan to BIM and 3D scanning services with high precision and strong detail focus.